Number 21. Real. I saw a real ghost. Number 22. Best. He is the best runner in school. Number 23. Right. He is the right kind of person for the job. Number 24. Social. He likes to talk. He is a social person. Number 25. Only. He is the only person in the room. Number 26. Public. The buses are a public transportation. Number 27. Sure. I was sure he did it. Number 28. Low. The water is very low in the river. Number 29. Early. I wake up early in the morning. Number 30. Able. He is able to swim. Number 31. Human. Sadness is a human condition. Number 32. Local. I go to a local bank. Number 33. Late. I had a late lunch. Number 34. Hard. It was a hard exam. Number 35. Major. It was a major battle in the war. Number 36. Better. He is a better player than me. Number 37. Economic. It is an economic problem right now. Number 38. Strong. He is a big and strong man. Number 39. Possible. It is a possible solution to the problem. Number 40. Whole. He ate the whole loaf of bread.